Vacuum clean.
That's what was a landline.
Like concave, you know what I mean?
Listen to me, daughter. Look at me. Boy, don't cry, boy.
Obama could have saved him.
Uno.
Dos, tres, compadres. What's up, guys? We're back with another. Yeah.
We are back. Back like
Oh. Yeah, guys, we're back like your ex. But anyway.
toxic.
No, it's called love. It's called love. Yeah, we're back with another video. This is a Smash or Pass edition. I'd say about Smash or Pass that will cringy sometimes. I got a question for you guys.
Yeah.
If physics are physical, quizzes are quizzical, then what are tests? And also Mufasa would like for you to sponsor us, you know.
Mufasa.
Yeah, Mufasa.
Okay. Let's get back to it.
That's what was a landline. What when?
I don't know what it means, man.
Landline.
Those phones.
But what does it mean? Landline.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Ndebella mo matlo. Wa pero skipa mo di majeresi. Wa fya wa futhumala. Ai awuthakane na unthak.
Damn, I had to get back a bit.
Wa fya wa futhumala.
Look at that nose, yo.
He'll take all of our oxygen.
I'm fast there. Look at that nose, man.
One inhale.
One inhale, you're done. One inhale, you're done. I can't breathe. Submarine vibes.
I'm asking myself a question. Why is the cap here?
Banana, chama banana.
It still good, but barely keep these moves up.
What is that? Like,
Look,
what?
look.
My brother, it's a genre. Your nose is more noticeable than you.
It's probably more noticeable than your future, dog.
Shot fired!
Ai awuthakane na unthakane kuri u akitsi. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Easy.
You sharp. Kwana mam? Mam? Lebohang. Bathong Lebohang. Butswa kana.
It's called fashion, man. Kill our trees. They're trees in the wrong location.
Wa pero Messi le kuane. Wa pero dilo tse itu. Are we
I'm a ravelle, Mara. I told you, baby, never shapalo.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
Still a tweezy, dog.
Ah,
You know how the tweezers are.
You move.
No, drip.
That's not bird. That's
Nah.
not drip.
It's drip.
Got the yena, you know, a construction maker.
Hi. So far. Oh, it's quite delicious.
akakwa?
Okay.
Bello, tu sai che cantavo un moia,
Bro, correct. Come on now. Like, the fact that they're not even phased about the fact that about pass about they're like, yeah.
Listen, from the get go, it's like, hi.
Damn.
Maybe there are two reasons to this. There are two reasons. Yeah, baby. Like one source. Yeah, baby. How about you who are more? Yeah. How about you more? Yeah. He doesn't want like, he doesn't know. She doesn't want.
She wants to breathe.
Yeah, she doesn't want to run out of oxygen.
She wants to breathe.
You saw that vacuum cleaner. Yeah, Genesis. Woo.
Or maybe she's trying to find something worth looking like at.
You guys are looking at.
Yeah. Bro, I cannot be looking at this. I'm too scared.
Wait a minute. Now it makes sense why he has a cap. I think it's not to look cool. It's to hide his vacuum clean.
But no matter what, it's standing out there.
And I guess in your confidence, yeah, I know that. No, one tools.
No,
The girl is out of her soul.
No, that time you next. I'm next.
She's not lying though.
Hello.
Hello.
Dog. You smile.
Yeah.
You've got jokes.
Yo,
Hello.
Hi.
Shop.
Shabela.
Me personally,
I wouldn't take that.
I wouldn't take that. And from where I'm from, you get the shit slapped out of you. Bruh,
yo,
Damn,
did you smash? Yeah, you got jokes.
yeah, they don't smash anything that comes in front of you. Yeah.
See what you did there. See what you did there. See what you did there.
Hey, guys. Smoothly.
Yo, Ari,
Damn.
did you smash? Yeah, you got jokes.
That's correct. Like, I wouldn't come back from that, you know. Yo.
Post nut clarity.
I thought it's not name.
Post nut clarity.
Yo,
Hello.
Hi.
Shop.
Shab.
Feeling Jan lang alak.
It was okay.
Well, man, I was bad and it's like you.
This boy.
you think?
How was your day?
That was bad. It was like
She said it was good, and then he said it was bad, just like you.
listen properly.
Okay.
Well, man, I was bad and it's like you. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Violate.
Dog. Where are you?
Come back.
Antana kantu chabisa sang ashu kuting nega look like sama kanda lampi.
Hey, this boy is here to violate. I like this nigga.
Diamond, he's on a decent road.
Bro, he came here to cook some dishes.
He's dropping the mic.
And guess what? He's the one who will be fucking all of them after that. I'm telling you. He's not gonna smash anything like that.
Diamond. I like this.
Now that I look at it, that nigga Easter egg. Again, Easter was 2 months or 3 months back. I'm kidding.
I like this break, man.
This is what you call a flip. Why you guys bringing eggs here?
Violation.
Yeah.
This guy. This is a gent right here. This is a nigga right here.
He deserves all the badges.
Bruh.
I think he's the one who created nigga nations.
Bro. He has no filter, that man. He just says in jail fair, walk out. Like he brings your ego down if you think you're top notch.
And the good thing is, he looks he's not those gents who look ugly and then be violating other chicks.
Why are you laughing?
Like, and then
Telephone.
yeah, like he knows. Okay, yeah, I look good, so even if I
don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Damn.
I'm about to leave. My day was bad, just like you.
God damn, boy.
Yeah.
Where we at?
I gotta go. Makayani, can I get yo dog? Did you smash? Yeah, you got jokes. Yeah.
Where?
City boy.
Hello, Shab.
Shop.
Hi, Kishab. Ay, sorry. Ay.
Why shop?
Construction.
Like, why is he still
Yeah.
Why?
Yo, engkarang ki.
Yeah.
Gay.
Dog, he's standing like this. What the fuck? Relax.
Maybe he's still hiding in the closet.
Poor mate tells you that when he's still picking up his clothes though.
He has to find the correct rep for the situation.
So when he comes up to the film, remember one with your boy is out.
Corgi then fine. Shave. Corgi then fine.
Period. Daddy.
Okay. Whoa, relax. My bro. Oh my god. Yo, bro.
Not lawyer violate.
For me, yeah, personally, nah, I wouldn't deal with her because we cannot have the same size. I have a flat
It's
chest.
fighting dot and dot, so it's equal fighting.
I
I'm an
cannot have,
GPV, equal fighting.
I cannot have
Type shit.
a flat chest, and you also have a flat chest. Kanjani.
Kanjani, bro.
You gotta have difference.
Kanjani, bro.
Yeah.
You're still in shock.
I'm not that guy.
It's like they disappeared.
Okay.
I'm bored.
Like, let's flip to the. Come on.
Yo. God damn.
Get on more. She's cute,
Yeah,
bro.
Type shit.
She's cute, bro. Oh my. Yeah.
The violation.
Yes.
Slim though.
Hello. We are gone. Why so short?
Are you so sure?
Penguin. Maram taller than you. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, me smashing you would be an abomination to my existence.
Yo, slung, bro. Slung.
And nigga, she hit you with the finesse English. I'm an abomination, bro.
I got the abomination.
My brother.
What?
An abomination.
Yeah, I understand.
An abomination.
Kanjani.
Like Johnny, bro.
He ain't got no ass. He ain't got no boobs.
What's your splata, man?
Basically, this guy, he was roasted by another gender.
Which guy? No way.
Yeah.
Hi, okay.
Wait.
Oh, she's still cool.
Wait. Bona, my enemies would laugh at me.
That's it.
And then when I chip and day like it's among no okay, for that. When I smash. When Okaruka dimile ditlhako, the way you walk carry down penya. And then sorry, the cheesies no. Smash.
Girl, you should.
Listen, like, I'm not gonna lie, she was doing those things based off her emotions right now. It wasn't like for fun.
I mean, couldn't even violate her, so
Yeah.
that means right now she's retaliating. No, I like, she's in there. Oh, don't tell me. You don't, okay,
What you thought? When are you anyway? I'm more manual than you.
On app, you can just tell the way she's moving. Good, no, I can't have anything for you. Good.
You smashing me would be an abomination to my Slums, bro. She's talking in slums.
It's like English. Yeah.
How are you? Shasha. What's that on Chila Happy? This is not the pitbull.
You started off as a penguin. Look at the pitbull and look at the color of her hair, the skin.
Accurate.
Like the editor actually said, the
editor took time with her.
He says, dog, after 25 hours of
shy research, edit.
After 25
She
hours
went
of
from a
research.
penguin to a pit bull.
Yo,
Very fast.
again.
And
That's
look at the
next.
people. Look at it. Damn.
Twins.
Like, look at the lips. Look at that face. Yo.
The color of the hair and skin.
I'm sorry, gay.
The people even looks like this, and she's also like this.
Kind of shit.
Hey, let's go. Yo.
Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. It's not really nice.
Yeah, the people. Oh wow! Oh,
Hi. Unjani? Okay, unkwatele. Alright, ujo. Okay. Pass, ne? Show me. Come here, please. Please stand next to her. Stand next to her. Who's the penguin now?
But you still a pit bull.
Bro, she didn't violate you. She's going.
You look like my cousin Pass.
Yeah?
If you were tall, I would, but Pass. Pass.
It's not our fault, Oti, Buffet, to be a born short. Yo, Buffet.
No, my previous view, I already said good height won't determine the sex.
wait, what?
Because height won't determine the success of a relationship. Because let me tell you something.
What?
Success. Success.
Okay.
Wait, drink some water.
No man,
Which
because
water?
height won't determine the
The success.
Yeah.
The success.
success of a relationship.
Hi.
Sex.
The fact that he's like as if like he's short.
I'm not short, but I'm speaking for everybody. All lives matter. All heights matter.
Yeah, we can't do it.
You skinny Pass.
What?
Thank you.
Damn.
You fat.
Shit is crazy. Buffett. I get it.
Like you there. Hey guys. And he's about to go like, I'm gonna smash up past the gents. Like look.
That's how
he's
you
gonna-
turn up there.
Yeah, try to turn and be like, I'm gonna smash her.
Smash.
Ah, Oyani, it's a 360. Can you do a 360?
Don't try to change it to
Mina ngathi
Bro. He should have like passed and
like I've
moved on.
person before I'm violate.
Yeah, because they said now you can pass me.
Yeah, the time the
No, but-
opportunity there because
No,
now
look.
you got fit.
Now look.
Now you got
What happened,
violate.
man?
Now he got violated.
Yeah.
Type shit.
cook my boy.
Yeah, I can't have it.
Thanks. Nah, when are you too skinny for me? Like,
It's called petite.
no, not too pale. Not too pale. You need to not too pale.
When you do last.
That man is so fit, man.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
Finally.
I would smash, but then you'll kill me. That's the thing. Like it's too big. It's too big for me. Because when I like women on top, but you big much. I can't breathe.
The thing is, I'm not too big. You just can't handle it.
No. Not that I can't handle it. It's just that you're too big for me. Though. Like huge. But it's clean fast. Hello.
Hi.
You good?
I'm good.
Yeah, you guys are the same. Like too big for me. No. It's not that. It's not that. Trust me. Big show.
Accurate. Where is the big show?
This guy's song was iconic years ago when I enjoyed wrestling. Yo. The big show.
Yeah, mhlawumbe sakampama yena asabsmash.
No.
You used to watch wrestling from back in the day, no? Yeah. You see how huge Big Show is.
Look how he's holding the phone.
Fade.
Hi.
You good?
I'm getting you.
I'm good. No, you're cute. Smash. Hello. Shop.
Yup.
Sharp.
I want to so.
I don't want any trouble, so clean path.
Sorry. Are you okay? Like, are you sure? So you said pass to her, isn't it? Because why? She's huge. Also
Body
her,
shape.
she's huge. You can't handle a real woman because you're a woman yourself.
Hey, bro.
Kelly, it's
why is
content
she-
today.
Yeah, like
it's
she's-
called comedy, entertainment, content.
They really pressed a certain button in her.
I think the one that set her off feeling I got the next one.
But like, come on, it's content creation.
And look, she's fighting for the big ones. Where else she's
What's our emotion? What's our emotion?
Guys,
How
it's
do you
like
do that?
content,
Yeah.
comedy, entertainment.
Entertainment.
Tanabe compadre, yeah.
Entertainment.
Imagine nabanye kwata the whole show manje.
Man.
Because if she continues being angry the whole show, she's going to become more manly than ever before.
The testosterone is gonna rise, Mark. Look. Kodwa yini Kelly man? Man.
Like, yo, she's way too angry. Like she's all like,
I'm a hormones
I
off the
feel
charts.
like mono ke bana banning they go to like those banning those teacher pet girls but you must strive for women
yeah.
women power banning but the RCL executive.
Wow.
The RCL executive.
Type shit.
Like bro, don't take it to the heart.
Too much.
Take it to the chest.
To the chest.
Literally.
Like, yeah, she took it to the chest, not the breast.
Yeah.
I feel like colors. So are you colored? What are you?
Her name is Kylie. She looks colored. She looks colored.
I was also talk so
Her name is Kylie.
So pause. Hi. How are you? You okay? What's your name? Bianca. Can you share 360 for me? Please.
Shy away now.
No, like slowly.
The boy is hungry.
Pause. Because it looks like they stepped on your face as a child. Paz, because I saw your hairline earlier, and I wasn't sure whether or not it was the barber's fault or your parents. How many inches? How many inches? Huh?
Oh, let's go.
I just want to ask. I just want to know.
As if we are there, like, okay, let me measure it.
To be honest,
We don't know.
who has the time to just sit there
And
and to
measure.
rule out? Come on, get horny.
Come on, get home. Is that what you say? Come on, get home.
Nah, because if you're going to measure,
How the girl react about how deep is it? How deep is it?
eternal vision. It's not that important though.
Like,
Because if you want to see how many inches, what was a bit you want to see what type shit.
so you know, here's the thing. They say the ones that ask how long is it are the ones that cannot handle the sizes that they like.
And then they talk about, I want 12 inches.
And then like 4-inch. I don't want it anymore 4-inch.
12 inch.
I see it 12-inch there. Wait, the laptop this is a 15-inch, so it's around there.
Yes, and we here.
Imagine.
My name, my guy. Yeah.
It was bulala most.
And
Because I
basically,
remember
hitting
this
the stomach.
this other doctor said that girls only feel up to 4-inch inside sensitivity.
Okay.
Exactly. And then the rest.
What's
is
okay?
just
No,
like-
I heard it from my doctor.
I know.
Yeah.
What I know, man, you can't lie.
You're objecting to this. You don't have to get into the specs of
I'm just saying, Guti, that's what I'm saying. The
Yeah,
one handle 4-inch, but for number 12-inch. Because after about 4-inch, I understand a sensitivity.
That's true. Yeah.
Pass, only because your jeans are too tight. Pass, you look like you're younger than 10 years old. Pass, just because. Pass, just because. That Han was right when she said that you look gay, because I went, you after 9, Shem.
And guys, you are right. He looks gay.
Yeah. No, I think I after 9. During the day.
I better than Chommy. Yeah.
Oda. It's 8:59.
We.
I'm a nigga.
Yeah.
I ain't 9. I'm a nigga.
No, I'm sure. Bro.
What's that there?
No. 8:59. We go. Okay, it's time.
Pass, because I wouldn't need a guy shorter than me to smash. Pass, same reason. Pass. No.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. You say we short. Nah, my boy.
Okay, wait.
I mean, we could climb mountains though. You see us as short niggas. You see. So aren't you trying to pick my mountain?
Nah, you're already speak. Bye.
Big boy, you wanna be now, boy. Listen to me, daughter. Look at me. Boy, don't cry, boy.
Baba could have saved him from
You know what I
harming
could have
experience.
done to like do a comeback? I could have said she's flatter than an iron board, dog.
Bro, just violate.
Yeah,
Just violate.
You say you don't smash short niggas, right? That's okay. At least I don't deal with chopping boards.
Like, I'm violating, then he goes there, what's up?
I thought he was.
I thought he was going to coke.
Like,
violated.
The nigga tried to raise.
And the rest, no, it was weak, you know.
If like didn't like
If I'm sure-
land Nyana like correctly, like it was a
I
bit
might be
hard.
short, but baby girl, in these pants, it ain't my feet holding me up. But yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, right?
Type shit.
Kapea mountain, you know, like really
Yeah.
short.
Or trees.
I like chopping trees.
I mean, as far as I get
Yeah.
type shit.
Okay.
You look like a white man's screw too.
Damn.
But you girl is a white man. Listen.
Bloom.
A white man scrotum. How does he know what it looks like?
Dog.
My nigga.
Oh,
Now a piece of suit, dog. I want that. Look, it's really weird.
Now she knows Johnny Sins.
That man is a multi-platform, multi-millionaire. That man has so many jobs, dog.
And when the nigga's a doctor,
Dog.
the nigga's a pizza man.
Come on, man. He's everything.
He's everything that
Yeah.
you desire him to be, you know. Can be a billionaire without having a.
Who's one is in the sword?
Yo, you look like a white man's scroll. I bet that later, you what be saying?
When
They're
they're
white.
and not when they're like solid. When it's
That's what I'm doing there.
Like during the day, if you're like,
I was talking to my
about the talk about.
getting out the bars with
Put that off and look at that. Yo, what you saying, nigga?
You said she looks like a white man's scrotum. Yeah. You wouldn't reach the scrotum. Bishan.
Come on. I'm a male. I have it, dog.
Simple things.
Yeah, what's up? Boy, do you know Megan Thee Stallion? Yeah, she's a broke version of that. No Megan Thee Stallion. Yeah, she's a broke version of that.
Type shit.
What's going on?
Yeah, she's scared.
Oh, listen. Quiet on set.
Quiet on
Say something nice though. Can I give you a compliment? Yeah. You look like a scrotum.
White scrotum and another scrotum.
Can I give you a compliment? Yo, she fell for that. Yo, she literally fell for that.
She thought it was a promotion or whatever.
Can I give you a compliment, man? You look like a scrotum. Get what we send.
Guys, you see when someone says we send, that means
Ututubani. Like you're wrinkled up.
Like we're not talking about this send when it's hardened. We're talking about when it's, you know. We're not talking about when it's. We're talking about when it's.
Okay.
What's up?
Send the voice.
What's your name? Hope. Hope. Is the P silent? No, I'm not dissing you. I'm asking.
It's not.
Okay, cool. Hi, how are you?
Okay.
You okay? Like, are you good?
Okay.
So your energy was negative.
No,
I don't like that.
it's fine. You can.
Okay, cool. Oh no, I'll smash. How are you?
I'm good, you.
I'm good. You look like a mammoth.
Nah, this is. Ice Age.
From Big Show to a mammoth.
No, from Itanda to Big Show to a mammoth.
Mammoth from Ice Age, guys. Hasn't got none.
Yeah, man.
Dog.
Obiang mo luso. Ngwekana. Ke pijama ke eng? Eh? Oh, pass. Hello. Uyangichaza for the X-Men. Guts, uphila bona. Guts. Wena ujwang?
Akithi nna ke jwang.
Waphapha lipipeng yana. Unjani? Ngishaka. Ngoya beka skin jean.
Because I wanted to.
Wo shaba so.
Kusheba jwang.
So,
But I wish I was so.
pass. Hello. I'm okay. I like your outfit. Hello.
Sure.
Unjani? Sure. Cute smash. Hello. Unjani?
Sharp one.
Sharp. A clean smash, ne? Unjani? Hello. Unjani?
Happy Ranger.
Sharp. Wakhuphula ngiphesithi.
Yeah.
Lena pass. A clean. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Sharp. Kupu. Slow.
Is that a pass?
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
I'm good.
Wacholeha. Ne? Makapass.
Zwakala. Uthe igazi lami ini, uthe igazi lami lenzani listabana ngithi. Makantwana mpeka, lokho la kana namabili.
She's gonna kill someone.
She has that song. Murder on my mind.
You. She's gonna return.
They went back.
I can't have my baby.
I'm gonna show you in 4K. I can't have my bed.
Yup, dog. But anyway, that was it.
We saw a lot of dogs,
A white man scrotum.
dogs,
Yes,
penguins, mammals. We even saw a woman Okay, so what indoors are claiming to be a woman?
And after 9. But I have been
Type shit.
I got the local baby she took it personal.
I want to filter, I want love, guys.
Bruh, it's only blessing. Yo.
For those who don't know whose blessing is,
Yeah.
he's one of those with the bones, tall, who walks with his head like that, you know what I'm saying?
Like that.
Hey, no. If you enough like concave, you know what I mean?
Hey, blessing, if you sing this, the boy, you will come on, see?
One hit a step up. Ahead of us.
He's one step ahead of us. Gavana is how one says
He sees everything before us. He's like, bro, be careful. Yeah, be careful.
Yo, don't worry about the telephone.
Banana.
Landline.
He gave up.
Banana.
Yeah. He gave up. He was like,
That's what I'm gonna every time they come to me. It's like straight face with us.
And then the master of all masters, the big nose, him, the oxygen taker,
Vacuum.
You. And that one.
But otherwise, guys, don't take things personal. Banana. How about the hand? Don't retaliate.
It's for content. And if it's business, it's business.
And if the owner of this YouTube channel sees this thing, I don't know content, yo.
Comedy,
Yo.
entertainment.
Oh,
Right? Like on man there.
but we know emphasize on what to be pitbull. Yes.
And whoever edited this video, you
Well,
make
bro.
sure you found the matching picture for the picture, dog.
But yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers
Yeah, our first
by the end of today.
100 you bear Ganjal, yeah. I think there's milestones, so I think I guess 100 is a milestone.
Yeah.
Type shit.
So anyway, you know how it goes.
Uno.
Dos.
Tres.
Compadres.
Oh, shit, I missed it out. What is such a But yeah, I guess it's a dress. I know.
Hey, stop on the video, let's stop on the video. Type shit. Slang.